This is the teacher transmitter. It has an on-off switch on the top that slides. When you slide it over, you'll see a green indicating that it's on. However, it takes a few minutes for the screen to completely boot up. This can be worn with either a belt clip or a lanyard, which clips on the back. I'm going to put the lanyard on. Just slide it on to be worn around the neck. And then the microphone can be clipped in an appropriate area, no more than 4 to 6 inches from your mouth, within this 45-degree cone. An important switch on the front of the teacher transmitter is this button right here that looks like an old-fashioned microphone. When I push that, there'll be a slash across the microphone icon on the screen. That indicates that although the transmitter is on, this microphone is not active. I just simply hit it again to make the mic active again. When the mic is active, the pickup ports are these 2 white holes on the front of the mic, not the top. So it is important that nothing hang in front of it or clang on it while it is active. The mute is an important switch to use during class activities when the student wearing the FM does not need to hear the teacher. For example, if the students are working independently and coming up to your desk for questions, you would not want the student with the FM receiver listening to you explain something to another student. It is important to keep that mic inactive at that point so the student is distracted by your conversation. You can, when you go back to whole group instruction, you can unmute to quickly get the student hearing your voice again. That is preferable to on and off because on and off gives the student a lag time in your voice. The on off is just like a light switch with the microphone. I sound like an idiot.